In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find highly qualified leads using LinkedIn groups. So you will see how to find and join relevant groups on LinkedIn, how to find decision makers in a group, and finally, how to extract these people into a list of leads with their verified emails. So let's dive in. All right, so as you can see, I'm currently on LinkedIn. And the first thing we need to do is to join a group. And the thing is that you need to be part of a group to see who is in this group. So that's why you need to join some groups. So for example, let's say that you want to target people who are using HubSpot. So for example, let's say that you are a HubSpot agency. So for that, you just need to go here on top and you type HubSpot like this. Then you press enter. And now here on top, you see that we have some filters. So we have people, posts, jobs, groups, courses, and so on. And the one we want to use is groups. So I click on it. And now you see here that we have almost 600 results. So 600 groups. Now, if I scroll, you see here that we have the Boston HubSpot user group, HubSpot London user group, New York City, and so on. So we can guess that in these groups, you will find some HubSpot users. And what's interesting is that you have the number of people in a group. So for example, this one, Boston HubSpot user group, we have 1K members. Now, if you click on the group, you will be on the page of the group. So now, if you want to join the group, you see that we have a button, join. So we just need to click on it. And now you see that my request is sent. So for some group, you need to be approved and you just need to wait a little bit. And most of the time you are approved. And for some groups, you are automatically accepted. Now let's take another example. So if I scroll, let's say that I want to join this group. So marketing and sales operations professionals. So we click on join. And here we are automatically accepted in this group. So of course, with this strategy, make sure that you join a group that is relevant for you and your business. And then once you are accepted in a group, the next step is to identify decision makers in this group. So if we want to do that, we need to go on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Then we click here on lead filters. And the first filter we want to use is this one, groups. And here I can give the group I want to target. So let's say that I want to target decision makers in this group that I've just joined. So for that, I need to go back on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and in groups, I type the title of the group. So marketing and sales operations professionals. So I click on it. And here you see that we have 82 people in this group. Now, if we want to identify decision makers in this group, we need to use some more filters. And the first filter I want to use is this one. So current job title. And let's say that we want to target people who are founder, CEO, and let's say head of marketing. Then the next filter I want to use is geography because I want to target people based in the US. So United States, and then I click on include. And finally, the last filter I want to use is this one, company headcount. So let's say that I want to target companies with a headcount between 51 to 200 people. So I click on it. And now you see that with these 4 filters, I have almost 300 people. And now if I scroll, you see that I have people who are co-founder in the US, marketing manager, CEO, head of marketing, board member, and so on. So once you are happy with your search and you want to export these people and get their verified emails, unfortunately on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can't do that natively. And that's why you need a tool like GiveMeLeads to be able to export your leads and get their verified emails. So if you want to have a button like this one on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, extract leads, you just need to go on givemeleads.io and then you create your account by clicking here on start for free. Then all you need to do is to create your account and install the Chrome extension, and then you will get this button. So once you are happy with your search, you just need to click on Extract Leads. Then you are redirected to your GiveMeLeads account. Here you can give the number of people you want to export. So let's say 100. Here you can say that you want the verified emails of these leads. And then all you need to do is to click on Export Leads. And now the export is currently running. So here. So now I just need to wait a few minutes and my export will be ready. All right, so after 3 minutes, our export is done. I've just renamed my export group members. And now if I want to see my list of leads, I just need to click here on download CSV. So this is the list of decision makers in the group that we've just joined. So if I scroll, you see that we have 100 leads, perfect. Now on top, you see that you have all the information you need about your leads, like the first name, last name, LinkedIn URL. You have, of course, the verified emails of your leads. So if you want to send some cold emails, you can do that. Then you have the job title, location, and actually much more information that you can use. For example, here you have the company website, and this information might be useful if you want to personalize your messages. When you export your leads with GiveMeLeads, we do two things. First, we make sure that the data is clean. So for example, for the first name, last name, and company name, you don't have any capital letters or problems with emojis. And the second thing we do is to check for each lead if they match your filters. So for example, here matches filters, it's true. So it means that these people perfectly match my filters. But if I scroll, you see that some of them don't match my filters. So for example, here we have wrong job title. So let's check that. Yeah, for example, here we have Chief Data Officer, Head of Global Communications, Revenue Marketing Advisor. So basically, we don't want to target these people because we want people who are founder, CEO, or head of marketing. And these people are not CEO, founder, or head of marketing. So with this feature, you don't have to waste your time to check if your leads match all your filters because we do it for you. And then what you can do is to decide to either keep the lead or decide to remove it from your lead list. So this is it for this tutorial on how to find leads using LinkedIn groups. Now, if you want to easily export your leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator in just one click with a button like this one, you can go on GiveMeLeads.io, or you just need to click the first link in the description, and then you will be able to have a list of leads like this one. And now, if you want to see a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find B2B leads, you can click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.